Milwaukee is striking again with some of its new tools. And this time, they are not just random upgrades. You'll feel the change. So, let's not waste more time and see the new tools. When it comes to maintaining a clean, dust-free workspace, especially on demanding job sites, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 9-gallon dual-battery dust extractor really steps up with a combination of power, smarts, and convenience that makes it stand out. Right off the bat, the automatic filter cleaning mechanism ensures you're always working with the highest sustained airflow, which means no drop in suction and no downtime during long dust collection tasks. This unit is all about versatility, with both corded and cordless operation depending on what your setup demands. Run it on 2 M18 batteries or plug it in for even more power. You get 125 CFM on battery and up to 175 CFM when plugged in. And with 2 red lithium Forge HD 12.0 batteries, you're looking at up to 41 minutes of continuous cleaning in max power mode and an even more impressive 78 minutes in max runtime mode. It's designed to handle all kinds of debris like concrete dust, drywall dust, and sawdust, with a built-in low-flow indicator that tells you when performance dips. Plus, it's fully equipped for wet cleanups too, thanks to water sensors that alert you when the tank's full. If your workday involves slicing through steel rod after steel rod, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel No. 10 Rebar cutter is going to feel like a total game changer, giving you cleaner, faster, and safer cuts without the noise, sparks, or hassle of traditional abrasive wheels. Built with Milwaukee's Power State brushless motor, this cutter chews through No. 5 bar in just 2 seconds flat, and when teamed up with the M18 Red Lithium Output XC 6.0 battery, delivers up to 240 cuts in a single charge, which means fewer interruptions and more getting things done. The design makes blade changes super easy with a connected cover and just a few fasteners, while the rapid stop brake brings the tool to a halt in under 1 second, making safety a top priority. What really sets this cutter apart is its exclusive compatibility with Milwaukee's No. 10 Rebar cutting blade, which uses high-performance carbide teeth to give you quick, cool, and consistent cuts with a dramatic reduction in sparks and debris. If you're on tough job sites where time, precision, and safety matter, this tool brings next-level performance with rugged durability to match. Let's face it, keeping your tools organized and easily accessible can make or break your efficiency on the job, and Milwaukee's Packout Rolling Drawer Toolbox is built to be your portable command center for all things heavy-duty. Designed as part of Milwaukee's highly trusted modular storage system, this toolbox brings rugged construction with a sleek, user-friendly design that lets you open it with just one hand. Yes, even when the other's full of gear. It's built to handle serious weight, offering a max capacity of 250 pounds, which means you can throw in everything from heavy drills to bulky hand tools without worrying about stress or strain. Inside, it comes with a smart divider system that gives you the freedom to segment your space and keep things in order, whether you're storing fasteners, blades, or specialized equipment. And because it's Packout compatible, you can stack it with your other Milwaukee storage solutions to build out the ultimate setup, customized exactly the way you like it, so you're always ready to roll, literally. For the serious carpenter or contractor who doesn't compromise on performance, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 7 1/4-inch rear handle circular saw takes cordless power to an entirely new level. Designed to handle the most demanding cutting tasks, this saw brings the power and speed of a warm drive tool with the convenience and portability of battery operation. At the heart of it is Milwaukee's Power State brushless motor, spinning the blade at 6,000 RPM, more than enough to cut through framing, sheathing, and dense materials without breaking a sweat. Paired with the M18 Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 battery, this saw can make up to 700 cuts per charge, and it's also fully compatible with all other M18 batteries for total flexibility. But power isn't the only thing it offers. You're getting smart features like RedLink Plus Intelligence to protect from overload and overheating, a lightweight magnesium guard and shoe for durability, an LED work light for better visibility, a multi-size rafter hook, a rotating dust port, electric brake, and easy-to-use bevel and depth detents to round out the package, making it a standout choice for anyone serious about solid cutting performance in a cordless tool. Cutting steel pipe used to be a chore, but not anymore thanks to the Milwaukee M18 Fuel steel pipe cutter, which delivers quick, clean, and burr-free cuts with the least amount of effort, even in tight and awkward spots. This tool is designed to work on steel pipe ranging from 1/2 inch to 1 inch in diameter with a maximum outside diameter of 1 5/16 inches, and it only needs a clearance space of 2.5 inches, making it a lifesaver when working on already installed lines. The included foldable cut fence provides precision when cutting new pipes, eliminating the need for extra jigs or fixtures. One blade can last for up to 200 cuts in 1-inch pipe, and when paired with an M18 Red Lithium 5.0 battery, you're getting up to 50 cuts per charge, which keeps your workflow smooth. Built with Milwaukee's Power State brushless motor and protected by RedLink Plus intelligence, this pipe cutter offers both power and safety, making it the go-to solution for residential plumbers and mechanical contractors looking to boost productivity on steel pipe installations. For those who need real compaction power without dealing with the hassle of gas engines, the Milwaukee MXF 70-kilogram rammer is a breath of fresh air, literally and figuratively. With its Power State brushless motor, this tool hits harder and moves faster, giving you the kind of productivity that keeps jobs ahead of schedule, whether you're working in open areas or tight trenches. There's no pull cord, no gas smell, and no maintenance headaches, just a simple push-button start that saves time and effort from the first use. The centralized user interface is intuitive, letting you switch between fast and slow speeds with ease, while the auto stop safety feature automatically shuts down the unit if it tips over. Powered by the MXF Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 battery, it provides 25 minutes of runtime or compacts more than a quarter mile in one charge. Plus, the cool cycle technology in both the battery and supercharger means less downtime and faster turnaround between uses. Cutting through rebar or concrete is tough work, but the Milwaukee MXF 14-inch Cutff Saw makes it faster, safer, and cleaner, all while ditching the fumes and hassle of gas-powered alternatives. With a Power State brushless motor at its core, this saw delivers the kind of torque you'd expect from a gas unit, but with the push-button start, it powers up instantly. No more yanking pull cords or dealing with maintenance downtime. Thanks to the dual MXF Red Lithium Forge XC 8.0 batteries, you get up to 240 cuts in number 5 rebar or 28 feet of fully plunged concrete cutting on one charge. Safety is built right in with the Rapid Stop Blade Brake, which stops the blade in just 3 seconds, plus kickback control and load indicator lights to optimize runtime and blade life. It's also got an onboard water connection that only activates when you pull the trigger, keeping the job site cleaner and more controlled. And because it's Packout compatible, you can track, lock, and manage the tool with ease, all while charging your batteries in just 45 minutes using Cool Cycle cooling technology. For clearing job site debris, heavy leaves, and everything in between, the Milwaukee MXF backpack blower delivers serious power that outperforms even gas models up to 63 cc's. With a maximum output of 800 CFM, 190 miles per hour of airspeed, and a whopping 30 newtons of blowing force, this blower lets you handle big messes quickly and efficiently. What's even better is the sound level. It operates at just 64 decibels, making it one of the quietest high-performance blowers in its class. It offers 3 adjustable power modes that you can control on the blower itself or through the OneKey app, where you can lock it, track its usage, and even monitor its location. With an MXF Red Lithium HD 12.0 battery, the blower runs for anywhere from 20 to 45 minutes of continuous high-power output, and the design includes an adjustable harness, telescoping nozzle, and ergonomic handle for maximum comfort. It's also compatible with the entire MXF Red Lithium lineup, giving you consistent performance across your toolset. If there's one blade you need on your saw when the job goes from rough demo to fine framing, the Milwaukee 7 1/4-inch nitrous carbide framing and demolition circular saw blade isn't just tough, it's practically unstoppable. Capable of chewing through over 400 nails, more than 50 screws, and 120 feet of shingles without losing its edge. Built with premium carbide teeth that are welded for strength and durability, it gives you fast, clean cuts even through the nastiest job site material. Plus, the diamond-shaped cooling vents keep heat buildup to a minimum, ensuring straight and accurate cuts from start to finish. It offers up to 5 times the life in wood with nails compared to standard blades, which means less downtime, fewer blade changes, and maximum efficiency, whether you're ripping out old framing or building new walls. That's our rundown of the slickest new Milwaukee tools announced this year. Got a favorite? Drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell to catch more tool reviews. See you on the next job.